Hey gang, welcome to another Tomboy Beauty. My name's Amy Harber. You can find me on Twitter, Instagram, and you're probably watching this on YouTube. This is the February 2019 Birchbox with the theme Spread the Love. Look at all the cute little hearts on the box. And then if you flip the card over, it's all these little Valentine's to Birchbox users, but I am not one of them. But they are spreading the love. Anyway, let's get into the box products. I got the curated box, which means that it's curated just for like me based on like my little personality profile I filled out. So here we go. So yes, the cute little February Birchbox with all little hearts on it. Little hearts there too. Oh, magic inside. Yes, there is magic inside. So, I love this. It's always got the products here. Like I said, I got the curated box, so it's based on like my little profile that I filled out when I signed up. So, one of my favorite products, which is why I got the curated box. The Professional Pearl Primer from Benefit. I love this primer. It has a soft matte radiance about it, and a little will go a long way with this. Then another reason that I got the curated box, MAC Oyster Girl lip gloss. It is a classic. I love it. I would run through tubes of this like in the early aughts, like just tubes of it. It's just perfect. Here you go. Yeah. I love it. It's one of my favorites. I stopped buying it though because I got literally like sick of it. And like one day I was like, okay, enough. But literally that was like my go-to. So it's time to revisit it. It's like a nude, but it's a pearl and it's pink. That also works good as a nude. I love it. It's going on vacay with me. At this point, like everything's going on vacay with me. And then we have the Avene Hydrants Rich Hydrating Cream. So let your skin drink up this deeply nourishing face cream. It's got thermal spring water and shea butter. I love a good moisturizer, especially living in Chicago where it's windy. Then we have the Nexxus Therape. Ooh, it's like a frappe. Only it's Therape. Ultimate Moisture Shampoo and Conditioner. So, boom. Wash this hair, which I will have to wash it because, as you can tell, it's got color in it now, but it washes out. So, there we go. So that is the February 2019. That is where to find me. Stay beautiful.